Hello, we are the Teen Advisory Board.
My name is Gardner.
I am Jay.
And I'm Jax, working in the background.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make your own ocean in a jar. You can pick up the ingredients from the teen department at the Prescott Valley Public Library, and it should come with
glittery water, oil, and shells and sand on the bag.
You will not get any extra water because sinks exist. You can get your own water.
Yep.
Anyways, let's get started.
Step 1.
You're going to want to get your jar, and if you got it from the teen department, then it should already be filled with the water and glitter and dye and everything you're going to need.
Very pretty.
Step 2.
You are going to want to fill the jar halfway with water.
Makes it turn lighter. Make the color turn lighter.
Step 3.
Then you're going to want to pour the bag of sand and shells into the jar.
You have to be careful because sand is metal. Yeah.
Make sure to do this on a flat surface.
Yeah.
Don't do it on the bed.
No.
It can get messy, so make sure to have newspaper or something underneath.
We're just not doing this.
Step 4.
And then pour the little jar of oil into that. Pour it in.
Oh, that'd be great.
Whoa, it looks
Ooh,
like
that
there's a
bubbles.
bubbles
It
when
does
you
look
put it in.
fancy.
Looks like a lava lamp.
It does.
Kind of.
Make sure it's tight. And then shake it up.
And if you want it from the dollar store, you can get like little fish or stuff.
Yeah, like those little tiny fish that you can put in.
It's optional. But now you got your little ocean in a jar.
Yep.
Enjoy.